guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a surrealist photo using CapCut's styles, which is their like kind of AI generator thing. Select your photo. It has to be a photo, can't be a video for this one. So you're going to select AI stylize, select style, then you're going to select the surreal one. You can basically add in any photos. It worked when I used the donut and the pizza, I think, as well as the oranges. I did not try the one with the soccer ball. But this is what you're left with. It's kind of like really odd, but it is kind of funny and fun to do. And that is basically it. Okay, like for this one, I cannot apply the style, but for this one, let me see if I can actually apply it. But yeah, that's what you're left with. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!